Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video, guys, I'll be tackling the 8th question from the St. Stithians Girls College preliminary exam, which was written in the year of 2023. Please do expect a total number of 11 videos, since the question paper has 11 questions in total, and that simply means each and every question will have its own video. And please, guys, do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your preliminary exam, and most importantly, your final examination. So please, guys, do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you. And please, guys, help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay, question number 8. We are told that the second term of an arithmetic sequence is equal to -6 and the seventh term is equal to 19. The first question, they want us to determine the nth term of the sequence. For me to find the nth term of the sequence, I need to know two values, the value of the first term as well as the common difference, right? But remember that, guys, since this sequence is being described to us, that means we must generate equations from these sentences. Please note that, guys, the general term for terms in an arithmetic sequence is just a plus n minus 1t, right? Such that t1 will just be equal to a, because whenever I substitute n over there, I'll end up having 0. And then t2 will just be equal to a plus d. Are you together? Because whenever I substitute 2 over there, I'll have 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1 multiplied by d will simplify in d. Are you together? And then t7 is just a plus 6d. Because I'll have 7 minus 1, which is 6. 6 multiplied by d, that's 6d. Are you together? I wanted to show you these, guys, because I'm going to use them over there. I was told that the second term of an arithmetic series is equal to -6. That simply means a plus d is equal to -6. And this is my first equation. Are we together? And then I was told that the seventh term is equal to 19. That simply means a plus 6d is just equal to 19. Are we together? Over here, guys, you can simply make one variable subject of the formula and then solve for the other variable, and then at the end you must find both a and d. Are you together? There are many ways to kill a cat. I prefer to say t2, rather equation 2 minus equation 1. I'll simply have a plus 6d minus equation 1 has a plus d, and then on the right hand side I'll have 19 minus a -6. And then I'll end up having a plus 6d minus a minus d is equal to 25. And then the a's will simply subtract one another. And then I'll be left with 5d is equal to 25. And hence d is just equal to 5. After finding the value of d, I can go to the first equation to find the value of a. So therefore, a will simply be, the first equation will simply say a plus d, which is equal to 5. And then on the right hand side, I still have my -6. Therefore, the value of a is just equal to -11. And hence, tn will just be a plus n minus 1d. There's -11 plus n minus 1. The difference is just equal to 5, and therefore the nth term of my sequence will just be 5n minus 16. So this will be the nth term, or rather the general term of my arithmetic sequence. Okay, and then now I'm being asked that how many terms are there in the series if the last term is 544. I'm given the value of the last term. If I find the position of the last term, I will know how many terms are there. Are you together? So I'll basically say tn is always equal to the last term, 544. But I do know tn. Are you together? I just calculated it over there. I'll have 5n minus 16 is just equal to 544, and hence 5n will just be equal to 560, and then n will simply be 560 divided by 5. This will just give me 112. So therefore, I have 112 terms in my sequence. And then now they want us to calculate the sum of the last 100 terms. Remember that, guys, we just calculated the total number of terms in our sequence, right? The total number of terms, guys, is just 112. Okay, so if the sum of the first 112 terms, maybe we do calculate it. Please note that this will just be equal to the sum of the first 12 terms plus the sum of the last 100 terms. Are you together? The total sum is divided into 2, is divided into the sum of the 12 terms as well as the sum of the last 100 terms. Are you together? But I want to find the sum of the last 100 terms, so therefore the sum of the last 100 terms is basically equal to the sum of the first 112 terms minus the sum of the first 12 terms. All I have to do, guys, is to just substitute. I do know the value of A, that's negative 11, the value of D, that's negative 5, right? So over here I'll have n over 2, there's 2A plus n minus 1D minus n over 2, there's 2A plus n minus 1D. Okay, for the sum of the first 112 terms, n is just 112. And then I'll have 2 multiplied by A, that's negative 11, plus 112 minus 1 multiplied by D, minus the sum of the first 12 terms, that's 1 over 2, that's 12 over 2, and then I'll have 2 times the negative 11 plus 12 minus 1 times D. So these, guys, will simply give me the sum of the last 100 terms. That's 112 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 times the negative 11 plus 112 minus 1 times 5. Then we minus 12 all over 2 multiplied by 2 times negative 11 plus 12 minus 1 times 5. So the answer, guys, is just 29,650. This is the sum of the last 100 terms of my sequence. Let me check whether I didn't punch anything wrong on my calculator. Let me confirm that. Okay. Okay, nothing was punched wrong, so this answer is correct. So that's how, guys, we're supposed to tackle this question over there. So please, guys, do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please, guys, do help us grow the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for your time.